morning and welcome to Friday Assembly. We have again lots of certificates for children who have been working amazingly well. In our nursery, Pearl and Freddie for settling back into nursery amongst your friends. Well done, both of you. In Ash class, Emily for a fantastic effort in using her phonics in her writing. Well done, Emily. And Sarah for showing a greatly improved enthusiasm for reading. Very well done, Sarah. Hornbeam class, Albie for a fantastic description of the planet Neptune. Well done, Albie. And Valerie for participation in all the live lessons. Well done, Valerie. In Willow class, certificate for Guy for excellent maths work. Well done. And to Lola for confident answers during the live lessons. Well done, Guy and Lola. Sycamore, Isabella G for always putting 100% and more into every piece of work that you do. Well done, Isabella. And Eloise for an amazing character description with lots of lovely language. In Beach class, Siva for an excellent letter of complaint about plastic pollution in the oceans. Well done, Siva. And Ronnie for a superb effort in all the tasks on Google Classroom. Well done, Ronnie. And in Oak, Mason for joining in with all the live lessons. Well done, Mason. And Ava for amazing artwork. Well done, Ava. Well done to everybody, whether you have a certificate this week or last week or next week. Carry on working. You are doing an amazing job. Well done, everybody. I'll see you all next week. Bye-bye.